Hello Lions, Mr. Bell again. And we got another video about cutting shapes and patterns. We're going to learn about our next shape. So let's get on into it. Chapter 7. Well, here we go. We on chapter 7. And as always, we're going to review our shapes that we started with and leads into our next shape. So we start off with a rectangle, followed by a square, followed by a triangle, followed by a trapezoid, followed by a oval, and our last video we did a circle. And what's behind this circle? Oh, it's a rhombus. Yes, that's it, a rhombus. Okay, well, why don't we find out what a rhombus is? A rhombus, which is this shape here, a rhombus is a flat shape with 4 equal sides. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus looks like a diamond, which it does. See? That is a rhombus, and it does look like a diamond. Okay, so now we're going to write our word rhombus. What we're going to do, we're going to use our pencil. And how we pick up our pencil, we pick it up and put it in our hands, using our thumb to hold one side and 2 fingers holding the other side closest to the point. That's how we begin to hold our pencil, and this is how we write. So with our word rhombus, rhombus starts with an R, which is right here, H-O-M-B-U-S. So let's begin writing. So R is a long line down, followed by the big bowl up, and a line slanted out going to the right. And right and left. Right hand, left hand. So we're going to start. Long line going down. I got to stay on the line myself. And a bubble at the top, big bubble at the top, and then a long line slanted at an angle going towards the right. Next is an H. Long line going down and a little bridge at the bottom. So a long line down and then a little bridge at the bottom. Next is an O, just a round circle. O, round circle, followed by M. M is a little line down with 2 bridges or a loop. So small little line, then 1 bridge going over and another bridge going over. Next is a B. Long line down, little bubble at the bottom. Long line down, and the bubble goes towards the right hand. Right, left, right hand. So the bubbles on the right side. And then you have a U. Under, like a loop or something, and then a low line down. So a loop goes up, and then the line goes down, ends on the right. The little line goes on the right hand side. And the last is an S. It's just a sort of like a curvy loop. So here we go, S. Okay, so that's our word rhombus. We trace it, now we're going to write it. So again, we go R, long line down, and a loop at the top, and a slanted line going to the right at the bottom. H, long line going down, and a bridge going over. O, just a circle. M, small line, and a bridge with another bridge. 2 bridges on the M. B, long line down, and a bubble at the bottom pointing towards the right. A U, just a simple loop and a line down on the right. And the S is a curvy line like that. There's your word rhombus. Now the final stage in this video, which is chapter 7, is cutting out the shape of a rhombus. So as always, we pick up our scissors, and where do we fit our fingers and our thumb? Our scissors are always positioned where the little hole at the top is where your thumb goes, and the hole at the bottom, the larger opening or hole at the bottom, is where the rest of your finger goes. So the thumb goes to the top, and the rest of your fingers go in the bottom, and you use your thumb to control the scissors. When you open the scissors, that gives you opportunity to get into the paper and move up if you're already cutting. But when your thumb goes down, that's where the cut. That's what makes the cut. and you open and you repeat the process. So let's get started. I'm going to position my paper where I can open and get to the shape. And here we go. My scissors are open, and I'm going to cut and get to the line, and then I move my scissors. After you cut, I move my scissors up while it's open, and then I position my paper by turning it, holding it, and I cut down on the line. And then I open up. That means you open your thumb and you cut down. You move up in the position, and then you cut down. And stay on the line. Now after I put my thumb down, I open my thumb, raising my thumb, and at the same time I move my scissors up, and then my thumb goes down, and here's the cut. Open up my thumb, open up the scissors, and I cut down. My thumb going down. Now I have to turn my paper because I have to go in a different direction. So I get back in position with my scissors open, and I get to the point where I'm going to start cutting. And when my thumb goes down, the scissors go down and cut. Then I open up, slide up, and cut down. Open up, slide up, cut down. Open up, slide up, cut down. And I have to reposition my paper again because I'm going into another direction. Okay, and here I go. My scissors are open, and I get in position, and what happens to my thumb? My thumb goes down. When my thumb goes down, there goes the cut. I open up my scissors, I slide up, and I repeat the process. And my thumb goes down, there goes the cut. Open, slide up, thumb goes down, and cut. Open up, slide up, and my thumb goes down and cut. Now the last position that I'm going to turn my paper is where I'm going to go and finish the cut. Finish the final cut to cut the final shape out. So my scissors are open. I get in position where the line is. And what happens? Why do we make the cut? My thumb goes down and makes the cut. My thumb goes up, opens up the scissors. I move my scissors up into position, slide it up, and then I cut down. Open up, slide up, and cut. Open up, slide up, and cut. And there you have it. We have a rhombus cut out. Yep, that is a rhombus shaped like a diamond. Thank you all for